Right, back again. Got a little tester, Mexforce, and we're just gonna check because you can't lock and unlock a car. So I just suspect a flat battery, and we're getting nothing out of it whatsoever. Nope. So we'll check the battery. Right, hopefully that's in view. Right, one battery, and it is a focus 1620. There we go, 1620. I don't think I've got a spare one of those, but we'll just have a quick look and see what the voltage is. Hopefully that's in view there. Actually, might be able to prop that up on something so you get a bit better view. Nope. Too high. There we go. You should be able to see that from there. Okay, so we have battery 2.7, yeah. Needs 3 point something volt or higher. Right, I have a scour and see if I've got a battery. Right, I just had a quick look and no I don't. Yeah, 2.7. It's not enough grunt. We'll have a look at the move these out of the way. At the connections. It's looking a little dirty. We'll give it a bit of a clean up with a bit of isopropyl. Yeah, that's all it might need. Just a bit of a clean until the customer gets another battery. A CR1620. Right. We'll give it a bit of a clean up. As soon as I can find my cotton buds. I've gone walkies. I know, just falling off the table. Right. Get the old ISO. Ooh, she's a hot one today. Alright. Give all that nice clean. Just gives that a bit of a that tab there. Just gives that a bit of a bend up. And give it a bit of a clean. Just see where it makes contact with that. Right, so negative, so that means that faces down. We'll give it a bit of a clean on the old battery too. I mean, it's probably not going to help, but they do get a bit of dust and stuff in them. Oops, out of focus. Hopeless cameraman, fire him on the spot. Oh, can't, it's me. Right, so positive goes down, which is the back side. And people screaming in the back. Lovely. So positive goes down. Like that. And that gets pushed in like so. Right. Can we get this thing to go? Oh, look at that. Yes. Look at that. Just a bit of a clean on the battery and the contacts, but you will need another battery. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.